Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to claim rewards in EA Sports FC Mobile football game. First of all, launch open FC Mobile game on your device and make sure that you're signed into the correct account. Once you're inside the main homepage, to get the rewards, you can go ahead and tap on the mail icon at the top right corner, which is also known as the inbox icon. Tap on that and you will receive any rewards in your inbox. To claim those rewards, tap on the collect all button at the bottom. That way you will be able to claim the rewards from your inbox. After you are done, the next thing you want to do is to go to activities at the top left, and then you can go ahead and claim your daily rewards from the page. Go ahead and select the day for the rewards that you want to claim and click the claim button, and you'll be able to get rewards. Follow through the on-screen instructions and then claim any other rewards you are supposed to claim, and you'll be able to collect your rewards just like that. After you are done claiming all the rewards will then be added to your account. So that's how you can easily claim rewards in FC Mobile smoothly. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.